You have to get in light.
Hi. Well, I'm in the light. Is that funny? He's laughing so hard. Wait a little bit longer this time. No. I mean, let him touch your tongue for a little bit before you do it. Caleb, look at Daddy's tongue. Look.
Alright, I don't want to give you too much hiccups.